So here it is, the new MPOW wireless headphones. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be any sticky tape. Just pop the tab, crack open the box. First thing that pops out is this little deal. I did get these on special. I'll just show you, previously I had these ones here. I have these ones. The MPOW M5 wireless, truly wireless they say. Put the unboxing video, the link down below. Next up though, I will be doing the review on these, both the pros and the cons. And it falls into both categories there. So check for that video coming up. But for now, let's open it up. The headphones arrive in their pleather leather sack. Also in the box, the 3.5 cable, so you can plug these in to your device if you're not going Bluetooth, and also the charge cable. When you undo the little string here, this is a quick unbox. Pulls open like the old gym bag, and out they come. First impression, wow, they look pretty good too. I haven't had a lot of these headphones in my time. I do have the Beats Studio, which I like, but they're not Bluetooth. So they keep me connected to my computer. These are really nice. I thought in some of the pictures this part here looked chrome, when in fact it's more of the gunmetal gray. So I like it. And I'll get these on charge, get them juiced up, and then I'll do a review. But for the unboxing, that's it. This is it. This is what comes inside. These, the bag, which has their name monogrammed or melted into it, a couple of cables. Quickly though, these are the MPOW H21. They are the Bluetooth 5.0. But like I said before, you can work them. They do work off the 3.5mm cable. They're called a hybrid active noise cancellation, the ANC. These ones, which I've noticed the time has changed now on these, they're getting better performance. These have 65 hours of playtime on an 850 milliamp battery. And also when I bought these, I ordered at the same time through Amazon the 3.5mm, it's called an aircraft adapter, and it allows the single pin 3.5mm to become a double, so that on the international flights and things like that, you can use these because they do have the noise cancellation when you're watching shows through them or just having on noise cancellation. It makes a big difference. So those are going to be on the aircrafts that I'm familiar with are the Boeing and the Airbus. They all have that sort of dual pin ones, unless you're sitting up in business class. Business class has a 3-pin, or also the premium economy, but they give you the headphone, or they let you use the headphones when you're in there. And the first time I experienced using the noise cancellation on an airplane was when I flew from Thailand back to Taiwan, and I was up in the business class or the premium economy or whatever it's called. But I couldn't believe the difference it made. Not even watching movies or anything, just having the noise cancellation on. We were coming into land, and so I just lifted them to take them off my head, and the noise of the aircraft was overwhelming. I couldn't believe, and you know, for years I've flown with nothing like that. You know, normally I'm in the back and I have a little peanut popcorn that goes in my ears. But yeah, anyways, so I'm looking forward to these. Get these out, and the review will be coming. So thanks for watching. What's in the box?
My vlog will feature travel and adventure tours. Come along for the ride. What's stopping you? Come on, let's do this. Hey YouTube, it's Polar Attack. My vlog.